Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy SK Visions and we're back again. Today I got my beautiful model Felicia Smith. We only do the best around here. Today we're gonna cover beauty lighting with a scrim. So let me take you around here. We're gonna be using this huge scrim. I don't know because we don't have a smaller one right now, so don't roast me in the comments. This is a 12 by 12 scrim. I'll leave the price in the description below, but this is what we're gonna use to light our subject today. The reason why I'm gonna use a scrim today is because I just want nice, even lighting to spread across the model. I'm not adding a light to the backdrop today. The scrim is gonna do all of that today. So I decided to use 2 lights today. Reason being is I just don't want to put stress on one, to be honest. You could always get away with using 1 light for your scrim, but I decided I wanted to use 2 today, so that's what I'm doing. I want to say I kind of messed up on my first video. A lot of people in the comments came back to me saying the further the light is away from the scrim, the softer it is. So I had to do my research and realize I was wrong. So I'm sorry, thanks for everybody in the comments that told me that. So the further the light is away from the scrim, the softer the spread of light. The closer it is to the scrim, the more contrast you get. I have 2 Magnum reflectors. I just wanted to focus the light in the center. So that's what we're doing today. Right now I have my lights at, well, this is my A light. I have the A at a half power. And right now I have the B at 1/4, but I may change that too. Yeah, this is the 8400, this is the 8600. And then if you come over here, we have 2 V flats that we're gonna use. I have both on the darker side because I want to add shadows. I'm on an all white side wall. The room is white, whatever the case is. I just wanted to add 2 V flats on the black side to add some contrast. Of course, I always use my clamshell lighting just to add back some light into her eyes and to even up the shadows underneath her chin. All right, so the settings that I have today, I have my shutter speed at 1/100. I have the f-stop at 8.0 and ISO at 125. All right, like I always do, I turn off my trigger, and I'm using a Godox trigger. All my lights are Godox as well. I decided to turn this off like I always do and take a test shot. When I shoot, I need to cut out all the ambient light. I need to make sure that no light is interfering with my flashes. So when I shoot, it should be close to pitch black, if not pitch black. So you could see her a little. Actually, I am going to try to get it better than that. I'm gonna go up on my f-stop. I'm trying to get it as close to pitch black as possible. That's a little bit better. I'm actually just gonna go to F10. I'm gonna switch it up while I shoot. And it's closer to pitch black than I need to. So I cut out most of the ambient light. I do feel like I could do it better, but I'm gonna stop at that, all right? All right, so with that being said, I'm gonna turn on my flash. Make sure both of them are on. I'm gonna test it to make sure it works. All right, and I'm gonna take a test shot. All right, so it depends on what you're going for. If you feel like this lighting, you know, some people like a very soft lighting, or not soft, but a lower lighting, and some people like it a little brighter. So depending on what you're going for, this could work. I could also go up to, I go up to half power for both. I'm gonna take a test shot. And then we went up on lighting. So to each their own. I'll let you pick actually. Which one would you want? The darker lighting or the brighter lighting? A darker? All right. So we're gonna go back to 1/4. You could always play with the adjustments on Capture One. I'm tethering to Capture One, and this is live view, so I could change the exposure of the light. I could do all type of things. I could change the contrast, anything. So we could play with that after. So I won't even play with that now. I'll do a separate video on Capture One. So, all right, so she likes darker, so I'm gonna go back to 1/4. I'm gonna take one more test shot. Big. All right, so we're gonna go with what she chooses. All right, you ready for me?
I'm ready.
All right, bet. All right, so we're gonna start with no hands. And I'm gonna get a lot of close-ups too if I need it at the start. Yes, just like that. Again, it's super important to find a suitable model. Also, shout out to the makeup artist and the hairstylist. Everything gotta come right. All right, so I just love the application of makeup. This is gonna be, most likely I'm gonna crop in for when I post my photos at least and show off the makeup itself. All right. Yeah. Also super important to get different angles as much when you shoot. You can zoom in, zoom out. Yeah. As you can see, I don't need a light on the backdrop because of the scrim, because the light is spreading so much. And I can still get that melanin. I can still add that shadow in. Yes. Head down again, yes. You ain't gotta hide. You wanna come? Yes. You know, when pictures are good, you know, they wanna see it. They turn it around for you.
Yeah.
These ain't even edited yet. Yes. Yes. All right, I'm gonna come back a little more. Ooh, misfire, I already know. Yes. Normally it's always good to direct your models if needed, but I really don't need to because she's a professional. Yes. Face is given. All right, fix it. So this is where we're at so far. And I know we all perfectionists, but I got you.
Yes.
I got you. I'm gonna make sure the hair is hairy.
Oh, I know it.
Yes.
No worries.
Yes, right there. And maybe I could do one light so you guys can see what it's like. Again, you don't need to use a 12 by 12. They have different sizes. They have 6 by 6, 8 by 8, 12 by 12. I just wanted the biggest one for the studio, to be honest, in case I need it for a lot more things. Yes. You can get scrims on Adorama, B&H, I think. You can get it on Amazon. You could even build your own with, I don't know what the pipe called. The pipe is called PVC pipe, whatever it is. And you can buy your diffusion and do it DIY for the low. I might do a video on that actually. All right, I'm gonna do a couple close-ups again. Keep that, keep it. Yeah. Almost done, Felicia. Now, my back is killing me. This camera is heavy. Yeah, for sure. So she just asked me if I could do some close-ups, like super close-ups. So I'm gonna do it now. I won't do it too close, but we can always crop it. I'll let her fix the hair real quick. So we're gonna do some super close-ups and then I'll change it to one light and then we can see. Yes. I won't see your hand, Felicia, my bad. Yes. Keep it. Yes. Chin down a little bit. One more just looking at me like this. All right. All right, so I'm gonna actually change this to one light. So come back here with me. I'm gonna go to my trusty AD400. It has served me well so far. Shout out to GaiaX. I heard somebody say shout out to GaiaX, so I wanted to do the same. All right, so I'll put this a little bit in the center. All right now it's at a half power. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to add to the ISO. So if I take a test shot, look at me. Man, you gonna do this for the test shot? That was. All right, so as you can see, it's a little bit dark. I'm gonna put my ISO to 200. This is a test shot. Don't give me your best modeling. Okay, now I'm ready. Ready. All right. Can you turn back to me again real quick? I'm gonna just show off what the light is doing. Yes. So you can do it. You could even brighten it up if you want. I'm gonna just do it just because. So the ISO is 200, I'm gonna go up to 250. And you can see it's gonna be a little bit brighter. Yep, we're gonna go again. We're gonna speed through this one real quick. Yes. All right. So trust me. I don't think I'm the best, but I think I'm good. You know what I'm saying? Oh, we can do it. Nah, you good. But I ain't gonna take too many.
He's like, I'm ready to go.
Ready?
Okay, we probably got a shot. We'll be overwhelmed. Say less, we're good.
Oh yeah, my YouTube vid is gonna be full of images, I promise.
No, we left off.
We gonna have 100 photos, but it's okay. Ready? All right. We are good. So that's it, guys. Scrim Beauty. This is literally one of my go-tos, especially if I want very even skin. Makeup is very important, so shout out to my makeup artists. I'm gonna leave all their links in the description below. I'm SK, my videographer is Bacon, on D_Bacon Boy. And again, everybody's names are gonna be in the description. I'm out.